Today we're diving into an exciting project, building a simple yet sturdy wooden greenhouse. This endeavor isn't just about the joy of creation, it's also incredibly practical, aiming to feed your family with fresh and organic vegetables. Ready to get your paws dirty? Let's dive in. The initial and crucial step involves getting your wood ready. For this greenhouse, the lumber will undergo careful treatment to ensure its longevity. The process starts by setting up an improvised workstation using ordinary concrete curbs on a flat surface. This setup allows for easy positioning of the planks for subsequent treatment. Once the boards are in place, a thorough cleaning of the material is essential. Removing dust and dirt ensures optimal adhesion for the protective coating. After the cleaning, the wood is treated with linseed oil, a classic and proven method for protection against moisture, rot, and pests. Applying the linseed oil evenly with a roller covering all sides is key. Multiple coats are recommended for enhanced effectiveness. This treatment process should be replicated for all the lumber designated for the greenhouse construction. Investing in this protective step is vital for the greenhouse's durability. The core of the greenhouse structure lies in its arches, which contribute to both its strength and distinctive form. The process begins with straight cuts on the boards using a miter saw, establishing the foundational height of the arch elements. Next, the boards are precisely cut at an angle for the arch joints. Accuracy in these angles is paramount, as even minor discrepancies can prevent the arch elements from fitting perfectly. Utilizing a protractor and performing test cuts on small scraps is highly recommended. The emphasis here is on careful measurement before cutting. If you need a detailed plan for this greenhouse, please leave your email and we will send it to you as soon as possible. And of course, please don't forget to treat the ends and cut surfaces. With all the elements cut, the assembly phase commences. The boards are laid out on a flat, horizontal surface, such as paving stones, for assembly. The dimensions of the future arch are then measured and marked, creating a template on the surface. If the initial angle cuts were precise, no gaps should be present in the arch. The arch elements are then connected using metal plates and screws. Boards are carefully aligned with the drawn outline, and metal plates are screwed into the joints. Adhering strictly to the outline and ensuring accurate arch geometry is crucial. Any deviation from the designed shape could complicate the subsequent overall greenhouse assembly. This process is repeated for all 8 arches. Consistency in each arch's identicality is vital for a straight and stable frame, an effort that, while time consuming, yields rewarding results. A visual example demonstrates how the arch might warp slightly during screwing, underscoring the importance of adhering to the initial template. For the first and last arches, the base thresholds were attached immediately, which streamlined the subsequent frame assembly. This marks the conclusion of the current stage. The upcoming week will focus on the installation of these arches and the complete assembly of the greenhouse frame. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.